In the beginning, the elephant crusher is just the boogeyman who crushes everybody by his behind. But it's all just a dream. But this time, it's all too real, and it's getting worse. The great elephant crusher has his own tribe. The elephant crusher's tribe. You all remember Chum Elephant, the elephant crusher, whom has his butt crushing all the victims. Now he has a different type of punishments from his tribe. The rocking back event, who lean back and crushes victims. The stomp event, who crushes victims with his feet. The death hugger, who grabbed the victims and hugged them to death. The belly flop event, who land on the victims with his big, strong belly. They were about to crush 5 useless victims. If you dare to see the action of their weight of the elephant crushers. To be continued.